Hello, this is Untangled by Olivia. I'm going to show you a very common mistake. Not really a mistake, it's just something that happens regularly, is especially if you're doing the rigid method, which is the one I like to use, is every once in a while you get little gaps where the beads should be, but it got pushed back by the other beads around it. And I like to use my awl fix that. I don't know, actually, I'm not sure. There it is. I see it. Let me see if you can see it too. It is in there. It's hiding very well. So I just pull it out with my awl. Once you got it mostly out, you can just, the awl is so thick that it can actually, or so thin that it can actually get in there. And now you've got no missing pieces. See if I can find another one and show you. Is there a missing piece in there? Yes, there is. It's hiding very well right there. So you can just push it out, or you can try to put the tip of your awl all the way into the hole itself so you can line it up. Sometimes, so if you look, I don't know if you can tell this just by looking at it. Yes, you can. So the beads are actually vertical. So the holes go this way, not sideways. So sometimes you get a bead that, look at this one, it's diagonal. You put your needle in the hole, turn it, and now it's straight. And if you're like me, I am obsessed with making sure my beads are all visible, because you work really hard putting that in there. You don't want to hide any of these beads. I like to put my awl right between the beads below. That way you don't disturb the beads that are below. Look at that. As you can see, when you work, the beads do not line up one on top of the other. It's actually offset like subway tiles or bricks. It's just the way it turns out. So I usually just, after I finish a project, I don't bother with it when I'm crocheting. I just wait until I'm done with the whole thing and just start looking for those little holes. If you're interested in the pattern for this project, I call it the lace. There's another mistake right there. It's one of my favorites. It just looks really pretty. You got like this little flower, looks like a daisy, and then you can pick whatever color you want. I actually did the same thing that I did with the herringbone pattern. There is a pattern that goes light color with dark lines, but there's also a pattern that does reverse, where you can have dark color and the lines are light or white. Again, that's Untangled by Olivia. You can find me on Etsy.